Looks like Oren's a regular goldfish. And he's on a dinner date with Pinki. Ah, yes, Pinki. Love is filled with pains. Wait a minute. You're underdressed. You need a tail. Or at least business casual.
Oops.
And we take our dress code very seriously. Get her, Octi! Yeah, this 8-leg special's on the house. Well, slime doesn't get any fresher than this. A beauty box? Wow, it certainly has good timing. Now that's what I call an undersea treasure. A brush. Turns out they're not just for teeth. This one will really help spread out that cover-up. Probably should avoid the lips. That's why there's lipstick. And we wouldn't say no to a little rouge. After all, pink is her signature color. Oh, Octi wants to help. Or wants a makeover. He doesn't need it. But you sure need to blend. The trick to makeup is looking like you're not wearing it. Beauty is hard work. You've earned a little lunch. And I'd save that wrap. We're gonna need a lot. It's the perfect thing for making a mermaid tail. But we can't be seen without our fins. That's where these paper plates come in handy. Look, it's a little baby narwhal. Might be part pufferfish. You are what you eat, and he sure looks like pink gloop. Why don't we whip you into shape? And add glitter. See? Glitter is the answer to all life's problems. Like constructing a fashionable mermaid's tail. Fish don't normally do nets, but she kind of makes it work. And she could star in her own Little Mermaid ballet. The judges think you're the real queen of the sea. But we're not quite done with the new you just yet. For starters, let's do something about that hair. Wait, don't iron your hair. Use the beauty box.
Okay.
Yes, a dingle hopper. What every mermaid should have. Just run it through your pink locks. And soon, uh-oh. Let's hope there's some kitchen shears in there. Even better, Triton's trident. Because this looks like a job for magic.
Oh, wow!
You've never looked better. And Octi's your crowning glory. And those tentacles add just the right splash of color. Which is another water pun. Just let them sit. And pretty soon, you'll have a bunch of cute curls. Is it me, or does it look even pinker? Okay, now it's time to move on to your wardrobe. Well, fashion's fleeting, but slime is eternal. Where's a laundromat when you need one? Octi's always willing to lend a hand, and he's got 8. And more importantly, he's also got a washing machine. We just need to add our special concoction. Got the recipe from Auntie Ursula. Let the rinse cycle commence. Pretty soon, you'll have a brand new top. Well, at least it'll look like one. Let's stretch it. Oh no, our friends! Told you to be careful around nets. Don't worry, guys. We won't let you be the catch of the day. Besides, we can still put this net to better use. It'll give you just the right texture when adding makeup. All the mermaids just love the classic scale look. With this retro look, you'll look like a real star fish. Still, we should probably toss this net. Wow, I really think our new mermaid friend's starting a trend. And that trend will start sooner than you think. Aw, from one Pinki to another. Wow, looks like Pinki's gone fishing.
Oh?
Well, there's plenty of fish around here. But did anyone expect a big blue shark? Well, at least it wasn't a big blue whale. Either way, he's got a little present for us. Wow, it's beautiful! But let's see how tough it really is. Okay, it's not exactly durable, but hit it harder. We can use them to give you a little extra sparkle. Hit a little harder, and we've got glitter. Aw, so cute.
Oh, wow!
What the? What have you been feeding the sea urchins? Wait, don't touch it. You're a mermaid, not Sleeping Beauty. Here, try this glove. It should help protect you. Just what we need to take out all these needles. Looks like someone has a new hairstyle. In the meantime, we can use the needles to make a crown. Why not add some shells while we're at it? And look, a string of pearls, oyster fresh. It's beautiful. What you waiting for? Try it on. Now you look like true blue underwater royalty. Would you believe she's the girl who's got everything? Of course, even mermaids need to eat. Here's the Siren Special, Huntrix Ramen. It's Rumi's favorite flavor. And look, it comes with a special prize inside. I've heard of kissing on the first date, but this is ridiculous. But at least you've got those puffed up lips. Your signature color might be pink. But every mermaid needs a splash of blue. Okay, maybe we could add a little more pink after all. She may be a mermaid, but she's living la vie en rose. Okay, we've got a date with Oren. Talk about plenty of fish in the sea. Except this time, we've reeled one back. Of course, something tells me she caught him. Seriously, you can just see the cartoon hearts in his eyes. Told ya. Hey, if he kisses her, does she turn back into a real girl? I mean, it'd be a waste of a makeover. Time for Sprunky roll call. Oh, Waxes, Pinki, Simon, and... Ooh, it looks like we've made a new friend. But I think she's in need of a Sprunky makeover. She's a digital girl in the digital world. Looks like all of her sprunky friends are here to help. And there's more where that came from. It's Aqua. Ooh, she comes in fun size. And look, she turned the water nice and indigo. Loosen up those braids and let down that hair.
Woo!
Now your hair matches your eyes, assuming they're also blue. Ooh, they are. Do you need these glasses? Who needs glasses when you've got ice cream? An ice treat is a nice treat. Okay, can someone turn off the AC? Ooh, good. You froze your skin silky smooth. But now let's fix up that unibrow. Aqua's here to help, but you might feel a slight pinch. And let's take care of those nose hairs too. Want a drink? Uh-oh! Well, look on the bright side. At least your other eye's okay. On second thought, maybe they should match. Nothing wrong with a little cover-up. Blue is your color, so let's add a sapphire. Or is that a blue diamond? Test its strength. Whatever it was, it must not have been strong. But the important thing is that it's still sparkly. You're starting to look just like Aqua. But you seem to be missing one accessory. Grab a tube and add some stylish stripes. Now you've got your very own straw. She may be Aqua, but she's ice cool. What do you guys think? Everybody's a critic. Wait, keep throwing that produce. That red goes great with all that blue. In fact, why don't we start over? And what do you get when you mix red and blue? Purple in all its shades, just like Lily. You can never have too much purple. It works in slime and glitter form. Now relax, Lily. Let yourself melt away. Our concoction's complete. Add to a spray bottle. Violet, you're Violet, but you're missing something. It's time we think inside the box. Next up, we're gonna need some blocks. After all, every microwave needs some buttons. Don't forget the popcorn button or potato. Heads will roll or spin. Take a selfie. Wait, those screens can't be too close.
Whoa!
Wow, girl, you're literally on fire. Okay, enough with the hyperbole. Hey, there's someone in this can. And you've got your next new look.
Wow!
What do you say? Should she try the Coca look? But we're gonna need some soda. We'll use it to make a new face mask.
Wow!
Let your troubles just bubble away. A blank slate, but not for long. Your makeup's ready. Just fall right into it. A touch of red goes with everything, even that hair. But you know, a new do probably won't hurt. We're gonna need some glossy material. Cut it into shreds and piece it all together. And who says cowlicks are a bad thing? Next, we'll need some ears. And we've got the best model. You've got some lucky rabbit ears. Now you look as sweet as soda. Speaking of which, all these makeovers are thirsty work. But share the love. True beauty is what's inside.